So you are setting out for this crucial, city round as well.
Already 5 corporations have been declared. We have to see there is a border area about more than about some 25 lakh population is there, which we may have to add later. But cleaning, that is also a part of Bangalore. Some of them are in the CMC area, some of them they are in the Panchayat area, and some of them are in the other local bodies. So, in order to keep the Bangalore city clean, so we have to frame a work, whether who will take up the responsibility. So, they have to be on the standards of Bangalore City Corporation. So, I am just taking and I have authorized the committee, the old committee itself, to look into it. Before that, I wanted to see. Tomorrow, I have called a meeting of all the stakeholders and all the local body officers connected to this. So, before that, I wanted to see the boundary, which way we are going ahead.
Sir, the pothole filling date is also nearing.
No,
So will we be able to finish it by 31st, sir?
They are doing, we have given them the responsibility. At the same time, myself, Chief Minister, we had a discussion. In many places, apart from the pothole, we are making one, we are seeing, looking at, that road itself will be completed.
So this will happen by 31st of this month, sir, for sure?
We have to do it. No. When works are there, it will be going on. But all major things we wanted to do it. Where we are doing one surface. Apart from, we had said that to do this one. We have said you don't worry about the finance. You do it. Just now I signed a file also to look at it. And even the Honorable Chief Minister, whatever he has assured, even that file also just now I have signed and I am coming out because tomorrow also I have to tell the officials what all they have to do. So we are on the job. In the meantime, next week I am calling after the Saturday and Sunday. Again I am having this one on corporation parks visit. After that I am going to call all the IT people of, especially in Madhevpura and Kyarpuram area. We will discuss with the stakeholders also.